Hi, I have a 15-minute beginner yoga sequence for you. I'll see you on the mat. Namaste.
Let's begin in a child's pose. Separate your knees wide as your mat and bring your big toes together to touch. Sink your hips back and down. Stretch your arms overhead and rest your forehead on the mat. Just begin to arrive. Let your body feel heavy and start to deepen your breath. As you inhale, feel the air draw all the way down to the base of your ribs. And exhale, press it gently through your nose. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And a deep breath in and a deep breath out. One more inhale and exhale. Tabletop, bring your hands under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Walk your hands out in front and let the chest fall towards the floor. Rest your forehead or your chin on the floor, but keep your hips over your knees. Lengthen through the shoulders. Inhale. Soften down. Exhale. Inhale, reach forward. Relax down on the exhale. Reset your hips over the knees if you need to. Come back up into tabletop. Tuck your toes. Inhale. Exhale, downward facing dog. Lift your hips up and back. Press down through your palms and let your biceps frame your ears. And take a deep breath in. Soften through your shoulders. Breathe out. Relax your chest. Relax your head. And feel your back release and your shoulders stretch. Flex your quads and aim your tailbone high to the sky. Inhale. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings. Soften your ankles and let your heels fall towards the floor. Exhale. Push through your hands, tailbone high. Inhale. Soften your shoulders and ankles. Exhale. Inhale, right foot up and back. Three-legged dog. Keep your toes pointing down and your hip pointing down. You should feel a stretch in your left hamstring and maybe in your right hip flexor. Exhale, low lunge. Shift the shoulders forward. Pull the right knee up into the chest and then plant the foot down between the hands. Inhale, high lunge. Ground down through the feet and lift the arms straight up to the sky. Deepen the bend in the front knee as you breathe out. Feel the heat build in the front thigh. Engage the back thigh. Straighten the back knee. Stay lifted on the ball of the back foot. Inhale. Exhale, warrior two. Lower your back heel to the mat so that your toes aim to the left and open your arms out into the letter T. Inhale, gaze over your right fingertips and make sure your right knee is stacked directly over the right ankle. If this feels good, stay here. If you like, you can deepen the bend in the front knee by sliding the left foot back and away from you. Inhale, reach through the fingertips. Relax the shoulders down. Exhale. Inhale, peaceful warrior. Sweep your right arm to the sky and lean the torso back. Feel the stretch in your side body. Land your back hand on the back leg and let it slide down as you continue to lift your torso back. Exhale. Reach the fingertips high to the sky. Big breath in. Exhale, low lunge. Cartwheel your hands down. Frame the front foot. Come up on the back heel. Push through your hands. Round your spine to try to lift your knee towards your chest and feel your core engage. Take a breath here. Exhale, step back into downward facing dog. Inhale, left foot up, three-legged dog. Push down through your hands to create length by driving your left heel away from you. Exhale, low lunge. Shift forward, shoulders over the wrist. Push through your hands to round the spine. Pull your knee up and towards the chest. Then step the left foot down between your hands. Inhale, high lunge. Sweep the arms overhead. Relax the shoulders down and back. Exhale. Shift the front knee directly over the front ankle. Inhale. Exhale, warrior two. Seal the back foot down, arms out like the letter T. Aim the back toes towards the right or maybe even slightly forward, almost 45-degree angle. Left knee opens wider to stack the left ankle. Breathe in. Maybe the right foot slides back to lengthen the stance. Exhale. Stretch through the fingertips. Inhale. Breathe out. Deepen the bend in the front knee. Inhale, peaceful warrior. Turn the left palm to the sky and send it up and back. Exhale. The back hand slides down the back leg. Feel the body stretch. Reach up to the sky. Inhale. Exhale, low lunge. Windmill the hands down to frame the front foot. Push through your hands. Your core is engaged. Inhale. Exhale, step the foot back into downward facing dog. Walk your feet slowly to your hands. Tadasana. Take a gentle bend in the knees. Slowly roll your spine up to stand. Inhale. Exhale. Dancer's pose. Inhale, bend your left knee and lift your heel towards your glutes. Reach back with your left hand and wrap it around the inside edge of your foot. Exhale. Lean forward and lift the back foot up. Kick into the left hand as you lift and sweep the right arm long. Gaze beyond your right fingertips and inhale. Pull the left shoulder forward to deepen the stretch across as you exhale. Inhale, gaze beyond your fingertips. Fire up the hamstring and lift the back leg up a little more. Soften your shoulders back and down as you exhale. Another breath in, kick hard one last time. Gently lower the left foot down, Tadasana, arms down by your sides. Dancer's pose, second side. Right heel lifts to the glutes. Right hand reaches for the inside edge of that foot. Shoulders and hips face forward, knees touch. Exhale, hinge forward as you kick the right foot back into the hand. Extend the left arm long in front of you. Look past your left fingertips. Inhale, use the hamstrings to lift the back leg up even higher. Square the shoulders. Draw your right shoulder forward. Exhale. Inhale, stand firm into the ground. Your shoulders relax down. Breathe out. Inhale, kick higher. Exhale, release the foot and slowly release the right foot down, arms down by your side. Inhale, reach arms up overhead. Soften your shoulders down your back. Exhale, hinge from your hips, swan dive forward. Bring your feet 2/5 apart. Hook your index and your middle fingers, your peace fingers, around your big toes. Inhale, lengthen like a halfway lift and draw your shoulder blades down your back. Exhale, softly fold forward, connecting the belly to the upper thighs. Keep the connection and let the elbows go wide and let your head hang. Press into your feet. Draw up through your legs and use your biceps to draw your chest even closer to your legs. Stay here for several rounds of breath, using the biceps to draw the torso closer to your legs. Release the hands. Gently bend the knees and slowly roll up one vertebrae at a time, relaxing your shoulders down at the top. Inhale. Exhale, relax the shoulders back and down and let the arms rest by your sides. Tadasana. Inhale, arms up overhead. Exhale, hinge from your hips and bring your hands down towards the mat. Inhale, halfway lift, press into your hands, into your shins or your quads. Lengthen your spine. Exhale, plant your palms and step back into downward facing dog. Inhale, plank, shift forward. Exhale, lower all the way down towards the mat. Extend your arms long out in front of you on the mat. Push the tops of your feet down into the mat and root the hips down. Engage your core, then inhale. Curl the chest off the mat and float the arms off the mat as well. Hold here as long as you can. Reach through your fingertips. Reach the top of your head towards the top of your mat. The back of the neck is long. Keep the feet anchored down into the mat. On your next inhale, curl up a little higher. Feel the upper back work. Exhale, release down, arms by your sides. Place your hands under your shoulders and press back into child's pose. Shift your hips back towards your heels, arms stretched out overhead. Inhale. Exhale. One more breath in and breathe out. Slowly roll up. Sit to one side and bring your legs around to the front, feet flat on the mat. Then gently recline back all the way. Hug both knees into your chest. Take a final breath in. Exhale, extend your legs down and out wide. Bring your arms out wide to the side. Here is where we reap the benefits of today's practice. So allow your body to melt onto the mat. Close your eyes. Your breath is normal. Be in this moment. Savasana. Please feel free to stay in Savasana for as long as you'd like. May we be happy, healthy, and blissful. May we take the peace that we found today on our mats out into the world. The divine in me sees and honors the divine in you. Namaste.